Hi guys, welcome to How to Solve YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can remove background noise from video in Premiere Pro. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. First, you need to open Premiere Pro and then you need to select any random video or clip which have background noise. I'm already select a clip so you can listen the video here. Hi guys, welcome to How to Solve YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can delete a playlist on YouTube. So you already noticed some background noise in this video. So I'm going to remove. So first I need to click on Shift 7 and then I'm in the effects panel and then I need to search denoise here. Select that and put on the voiceover and then I need to scroll down here and then I need to click on edit and I need to move it further forward to remove background noise. So now you can listen the audio clip. Hi guys, welcome to How to Solve YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can delete a playlist on YouTube. So now you can notice that the background noise is removed with the help of this. So by following these steps, you can easily remove background noise in Premiere Pro. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.